Hello everyone, welcome back to our second tutorial in which we will be discussing structure, import statement and attributes and different modifiers. So here we have an import statement. So what import statement does is that all which is written below this import statement, it is imported from SwiftUI. So if I'm going to comment this, it's going to give an error like it's not found. So it cannot find the view in the scope. Similarly, it can't find preview provider. So in order to use these protocols, you need to import SwiftUI. So once you have imported SwiftUI, you can see the error are gone. Next we have structures. Structures with semicolon view seems to be or look like that this is being implemented or inherited. But in actual, structures are not inherited. They doesn't follow the rule or principle of inheritance. Instead, this view is a protocol confirming this structure. So let's say if I need to create a new struct with body view, what it does is that it's give an option to confirm the protocol, and by entering it's going to add var body. What if I remove this body? It's going to give an error. Why? Because it doesn't confirms the protocol. So by adding some view in our main structure, it confirms the protocol, because this struct denotes that it need to confirm a view protocol. Next, let's see what inside this structure. We have vStack, which is a vertical stack. We will be looking at different stacks in the further lessons. Here we have image and text. Image and text are different structs. In order to look in details, what you can do is you can press Option and then click on any structure. So it's going to tell what this is used for. So here we have image instance, and it is used for either to display image file from your asset or library or bundle. And it also states the supported types are PNG, JPEG, HEIC and some more. So here we have image structure, and these are its modifier. Now let's look at how many types of scale we have: large, medium and small. And let's look at the modifiers. What are the modifiers of text? So if I need to give a spacing at the top, I'm going to add padding, and I'm going to say at the top, and we can give a number to how much space we want. So you can see that space has been increased between our text and our globe. Next, we can use a bold modifier in order to make our text bold. Similarly, if we need to change the size of our text, we can use font dot title. So here we can see that we have used different modifiers to make this text readable. So this is how we have modified used for different structures, and each structures have different types of modifiers. So we discuss import statement. What it does is that it imports different protocols, and then we discuss structures which do not inherit but it confirms the protocol. Then we have stack, and in that stack we have different structures, image and text. We have different system structures, image and text, and in those structures we have different modifiers. So you can use these modifiers to make it look more readable, catchy or attractive. So this was a brief tutorial on what our code denotes, and what are modifiers, what are structures, and what does import statement do. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.